Hello children, welcome to 8th Chemistry online classes. So today we will see the exercises of coal and petroleum. Exercises page number 62 and 63. So all of you take your textbook and a notebook. Some of the answers you can write in your textbook and other answers you can write in your notebook. Okay, we'll see the first question. What are the advantages of using CNG and LPG as fuels? CNG means compressed natural gas and LPG liquefied petroleum gas. Answer: CNG and LPG burn easily. CNG and LPG give a lot of heat energy when burned, or we can tell that it has high calorific value. CNG and LPG can be transported easily through pipelines. CNG and LPG are clean fuels and they do not release smoke when burned. Very important. So write in your notebook this question and answer. Write in your notebook. Second question. Name the petroleum product used for surfacing roads. Bitumen is used for surfacing of roads. So this answer you can write in your textbook. Write bitumen there. Third question, write in your notebook. Describe how coal is formed from dead vegetation. What is this process called? So already I think we wrote in your notebook, but no problem, you can write one more time. So answer: millions of years ago, dense forest got buried under the soil due to natural processes like storms, floods, and earthquakes. These got compressed as more and more soil got deposited over them. When they got buried deep in the soil, they were exposed to very high temperature and pressure. Under these conditions, these slowly got converted into coal. This process of formation of coal from dead vegetation is called carbonization. So write this question and answer in your notebook. Question number 4, fill in the blanks. First one, fossil fuels are dash dash and dash. So here you can write some examples of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum and natural gas. So fossil fuels are coal, petroleum and natural gas. Second one, process of separation of different constituents from petroleum is called dash. Petroleum, that is a mixture of different constituents like LPG, CNG, paraffin wax, bitumen, etc. So these constituents separated by the process, that process is called refining. Next one, least polluting fuel for a vehicle is dash. The clean fuel. Clean fuel is compressed natural gas or CNG. So these answers you can write in your textbook. Then fifth one, tick true or false against the following statements. Some statements given, so you have to put a tick mark, true or false. First one, fossil fuels can be made in the laboratory. So that statement is false, because fossil fuels that need some conditions like high temperature and high pressure, but in the laboratory we cannot create that kind of conditions. So this statement is false. Second one, CNG is more polluting fuel than petrol. Definitely that is also false, because CNG is the clean fuel, but here CNG is more polluting fuel than petrol, so that statement false. C, coke is the almost pure form of carbon. Yes, That statement is correct. Coke is the pure form of carbon. Next, coal tar is a mixture of various substances. That statement is also true. Coal tar is a mixture of more than 200 substances. Last one, kerosene is not a fossil fuel. The statement is false because kerosene is a fossil fuel, that is a constituent of petroleum, that is a petroleum product. Okay, so that statement is also false. So this also you can do in your textbook. Next, sixth one, explain why fossil fuels are exhaustible natural resources. Answer: fossil fuels require millions of years to form from the dead vegetation and animals that get buried deep inside the earth. They require high temperature and pressure for their formation, which cannot be provided in the laboratory, and their rate formation is very less in comparison to their rate of consumption. So they will exhaust in near future due to current rate of consumption. So this answer you can write in your notebook. Seventh one, describe the characteristics and uses of coke. Characteristics are: coke is tough, coke is porous, coke is black in color. And uses of coke: in the manufacture of steel and in the extraction of metals. That also you can write in your notebook. Eighth one, explain the process of the formation of petroleum. Dead organisms that got buried in the sea millions of years ago got covered with layers of sand and clay. Due to lack of air, high temperature and high pressure, these dead organisms got transformed into petroleum and natural gas. Ninth one, the following table shows the total power shortage in India from 1993 to 1999. Show the data in the form of a graph. Plot shortage percentage for the years on the y-axis and the year on the x-axis. So you can see the data in your textbook exercises. So see the data and try to draw the graph.